Hello viewer. Good evening. Today we are going to create a very interesting things that is all about a single piece bottle by using solidwork. So let's get started. Before going to start my solidwork project, I want to introduce myself. My name is Shamrat Hussain, and today we are going to create a very special topics that is all about solid bottle. So how to create a solid bottle? At first you need to open your solidwork software first, then go to the page in a new page, take a part and click OK. Then you can get a blank page. Here you select any one of them from front, top and right, click right plane and click vertical line. After that, sketch vertical line, sketch, take a center line from here and draw the center line from the center point. Okay, and another line, select and draw another center line from here. Select the center line from the middle point of the center and draw the center line again. Okay viewers, let's do that. That's complete. And after that, select the line point, draw a line from the very beginning point. Whatever I had draw, you just follow my instruction. Okay, first of all we are just clicking here like that way. Second part, here we will after few time later we will create a thread. That's why I'm drawing like this way. Select the curve, draw a curved line here to there. Okay, after with that we will give the measuring point. Okay, let's draw this line again from here to here. Click a little bit point for the picture line, draw again and select this point now. Then after we are going to drag the line again after this portion and click OK, select portion. Okay, after that take the curve line, draw a curve line from this point to this point and select OK. Let's go the line again and we are click the line and select this point, and after that we are just click the hand. And now the main thing that is here, we need to create the curve. From select this curve, there is a 2 point. You need to drag this line from upper level and this line the lower. According to a requirement, you need to create the radius. After that, there is the bottom one, and there is also the curve for taking the bottom curve. Okay, first of all we are going to taking the curve bottom line in here and another line in here from there. Okay, let's go started. Okay, let's just select mode. Okay, we are taking the line again from there and draw the line from this point to the center line. Okay viewer, this after this point we click this OK, click in OK and go to features, tag the revolution and boost. Select your line to regulate and you can get the bottle. Here is our bottle main face is ready, so just click OK in here and you can get the bottle face. Okay, now the main objective in our bottle face, we need to create a inside hole for the whole bottle. So first of all we need to select the bottle face, and after that we are let's go to the sketch. First of all we need to select this face, click horizontal. Let's go in here. What I think there is a mistake I had did. Okay viewer, just hold on 2 seconds. I will show you the main thing how we do so. Features, go to the face and click shelter. After that you will got the whole shelter. Just click your required thickness of your bottle. I put here the thickness of my bottle is 1 mm, but you can choose anything else whatever you want. So let's see what I had did. You just follow my introduction. Definitely you could make a good quality of bottle for your design. You don't need to worry about that. I am selecting here 0.1 and click OK, and you can see there the inner side of the bottle is completely ready, and thickness whatever I have given in here, this is also is given. I think the thickness whatever I have given in here, that was very low, so I need to give this thickness again. So let's see how I did. So first of all, I select the face, go to the shell and click the thickness of my bottle. I select this thickness again is 0.1 mm, and clicking in here OK. It requires few seconds because the configuration of my PC is not very much well, that's why it is taking like that. Now after that I need to create a in here I need to create the fillet. So not fillet, it is all about chamfering. So I create a fillet in here, fillet not fillet, is chamfering. Select this edge and create OK. So our bottle is basically ready. Just we need to select the color of the bottle. First of all, I has go the bottle color section, and I select the bottle color for rubber plastic materials. So for is the plastics, I need to select the plastics, rubber, glass, solid, fabric, stone, materials, metals. Plastic in here given. I select the pastel plastic first. Plastic colors, I go in here the sharp edges, I reduce the sharp edges, I select the black soft box. This is our plastic bottle model. This is our plastic bottle model, and you can do different angle whatever you want. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you are new in our channel, so please subscribe in our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.